What's up, guys?
We are here in Florida.
Ow. Why'd you hit
That was
my
such
head?
a great intro.
All right, so we're like in the lift right now, about to head to our
condominium.
You're gonna see this. We are headed to the house right now, and then we're probably gonna link up. She's gonna get her hair done, and then I don't know. Today's just gonna be kind of more like a chill day. We might gonna go explore a little bit. Might go to the mall or something because I want to get some different clothes because I kind of don't have many clothes that are summertime attire. Like, but we're gonna do that, and then probably like chill at the beach a little bit. Look at Hales! Oh my god! I'm not gonna lie, this is so much nicer than Baltimore, guys, because like it's like 20 degrees there and it's like 75 here, so it's way nicer. But we're gonna have like a fun time, and then you guys are just gonna watch us have a fun time.
Day 2.
Ooh. Hair flip. Howdy, y'all. How are you? You look nice. Psych, I'm just joking. That's puffing on a big stove. What's up, guys? So we're here in Florida. I didn't even tell anybody about this, that we were going to Florida. It's kind of just a surprise. It's for her birthday, you know what I'm saying? We're here with Sean. He has a YouTube channel too. You want to shout yourself out, baby?
Let me go check us out at, Have Family. You know what I'm saying?
Check him out. I'm gonna put the link down below somewhere right here. Got Ari, Vinny, all them. But we're here at St. Pete, St. Pete Power Sports, and we're gonna get us a little slingshot for the day. Or I'm gonna try to rent it for a couple more days. But we're gonna go in there and see what we gotta do to get this thing. Oh, I think we all can fit. It might be a bit of a squeeze.
I'm small.
Yeah, we got this.
Alright, here we go. Let's get it. Is everyone on and safe?
Oh, we're gonna go?
Yeah, hop on, man.
Hop on.
We're all good to go. She's a little bit jolty sometimes, though. Careful, alright?
Alright, guys, we're here with Thomas from St. Pete Power Sports. He's giving us a whole ride, you know what I'm saying? Uber into the golf cart. That's what it is. I'm gonna go check out.
That's one of the units right there.
Okay.
And that's probably the one I'll have you guys check out today. That one just got a fresh oil change. She's in some great shape. Those are some of the bikes we got down that way. And then we'll actually run over here. Wow. I think we're at capacity on this thing. I don't want to flip her over.
Yeah. Hey, that'd be funny though.
Oh, I think for a good video.
Yeah.
We'll run over this way and we'll take a look at the other slingshots that we have in. I mean, if you guys want to take one of these, you're more than welcome to, but I will say
I'll probably get the fresh oil change one, you know, like.
Yeah, it's also been freshly detailed, so
yeah.
That's probably gonna be your best bet.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can flip this golf cart over here. Alright. Talk right now between slingshots and new Polaris units. We've got all trade-in bikes from across the country. Those are the other two units there. These are all the rest of them. Those are the 2019s we have sitting over there. We haven't actually got those guys fully built and serviced yet. Those will be available for rental here in about 2 weeks.
Nice.
We're just still getting it together. Polaris, that's like a
what exactly like is this like the slingshot like?
So if you want, we can run over and actually get into one real quick and take a look at the engine and whatnot. So it's a 2.4 liter Chevy Ecotec engine out of something similar to like a Chevy Cruze.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, 5-speed manual transmission.
Oh, they're manual?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're all a 5-speed. So that's actually what they look like under the hood. They're all the same engines. They're all the model ranges.
It's like a Chevy Cruze.
Literally the exact same engine out of the Chevy Cruze.
Turbskis. Where's the little turbo at?
Yep. Yeah. The thing that makes these fun and fast is the fact that they only weigh around like 1,500 pounds. They're extremely lightweight.
What does it make, like 200 horsepower or 180?
Right around. Yeah, right.
Yeah, so it being so light, it helps out a lot.
Yep. And they're a great time. They're a lot of fun. We'll get you guys out on one here in just a sec. Go ahead. We'll go grab one of them. We'll get the paperwork dealt with. We'll get you on the way.
You want to talk about the business a little bit real quick?
Oh, iMotorsports, as far as that goes? Yeah, so iMotorsports, we're actually one of the largest used motorcycle dealers in the country. We ship bikes to the lower 48 states for free. Anything over $5 grand. We've been doing business for a while now. We're in India and Kawasaki and Polaris dealership. And just super stoked, man. It's a really good time. It's an awesome place to work, and we just, we make people happy.
Yeah, man.
Actually, last weekend we had a guy, we flew him out from New York all the way down here. We sold him a 2019 Indian Scout Bobber. He rode it all the way back to New York.
Dang,
seen the smile
that's crazy. That's crazy.
Awesome. Well, let's go ahead. We'll head back over that way. We'll get the paperwork dealt with, and then we'll get you on the slingshot.
Sweet, man. Cool. In the Florida sunshine.
So you guys are from out of town then?
Yeah, we're from Baltimore.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So how you guys like the Sunshine State so far?
It was when we left. It was like 19 degrees. So like,
oh my God,
this is a lot better than Baltimore.
Yeah, that's night and day, man. That's night and day.
Definitely gonna enjoy it better with the nice little slingshot.
Oh yeah. Cruising the beach is a must. Ooh, looks like you hit by this dude in the truck. Right. He's coming out.
I'll take the check. And we can buy a slingshot.
I know, right? Yeah. You buy 5 of them. That guy took us all out.
Right. My leg. Like. You get the one on the end, Van. The little baby.
Mini bikes.
Huh?
I said mini bike.
Yeah. No, these are actually kind of a little 65. This would be good. 32 miles to the gallon, bro. Like, come on. You couldn't handle this, dude. This is 80. I think this is 85.
My dad said I would get this.
You would not be able to ride 85, dude.
I've never done any big YouTube things ever, to be honest with you.
Yeah. We're almost at 20,000 now.
Nice.
So.
How long you guys been doing YouTube for?
I mean, I've been doing it for a while, but last year I just started taking it serious, and that's when everything started. All right, guys, so we're good to go. I want to say one more thanks to my buddy Thomas. But we're gonna go head out. You guys gotta check out St. Pete Motorsports, guys, because great people and give you good deals on rentals and stuff. But check them out. We're gonna get some video of this thing, and I don't know, have some fun. Alright guys, so like we're in St. Pete right now, whipping the slingshot. This thing's actually pretty fun, I'm not even gonna lie. It gets a lot of attention, but I don't know. We're trying to find a place to eat. I'm just like, I don't know how I'm gonna park this thing. It's kind of weird. But we're gonna go find a little place to eat because we hungry. We always hungry, you know. Check out the view. Check out the view. Lit.
Super lit.
Super lit, bro. I love my dock, Sharon. Bringing back memories.
Shout out to Coop.
Shout out to Coop. All right, so we found a place that we can eat at. She wanted to eat on the water, so that's what we're gonna do, you know? I don't know, I'm about to get me, if they have lobster, I'm definitely getting a lobster because that's just my, I don't know, I had lobster the first time with her not too long ago, and that was the shit. What are you about to get? I'm gonna get a steak. I'm gonna get a steak.
I don't know, I might get a salad.
A salad? Yeah. We didn't come on the water for a salad. Like, what the hell?
Know, what the hell?
So bougie. You almost got shitted on, but, or was that just nuts?
That was nuts.
I don't know, but.
Falling from the tree. Hi.
Oh, hey, how are you?
Good, good.
Oh
Nice
my
to
gosh.
see you.
Is this a werewolf? Here, hey, buddy. Yeah, sure. Nice. Just missed all the necks.
We just missed it all.
All the necks. Whoa. Look at that view. And you get yourself a lemon. You gotta squeeze it in there a little bit. And then you just. Ew, that was so nasty. So it's only right when you're by the ocean, you gotta get seafood. So I got me a little bit of lobster with some tater tots, but she got a little grouper burger. And we're about to smash, you know what I'm saying? This looks so good. This place is actually lit, it's called Fresco's. They got I don't know, good service, and it's fast too. So I'm about to munch on this.
For like 15 minutes.
Right. So we're about to eat some of this, munch on this, and then we're gonna head to the mall. Got a little surprise for you guys in a second, so just wait.
Sorry.
I would have tried to save you, but I am not that strong. Oh my god. Okay, you guys have.
Alright, so Hayley has to go pee. I'm about to pull up in a sling, you feel me? But we're gonna go do that. I swear this girl pees like 100 times a day. It's kind of annoying. I feel like I'm dating an old lady, but it's whatever. Butthole. We'll start her up, you know what I'm saying? Make sure she's in neutral. Push to start. Gang shit. So we got, we're headed to the mall right now. It's like literally like right up here somewhere. But I gotta go to H&M, get me like a little dress shirt or something because we're about to go out tonight for her birthday. So you post in the comments, happy birthday, all that stuff. If you guys want to donate, someone's joking, cash app right here. We're gonna have a good time. We're chill in the mall for a little bit and then we're probably gonna head somewhere else. Gang, gang. Huh? It's A&A Photography Gang. Alright, so we're about to do a little pull real quick. Green light, go. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
This is why I love Florida, right? We parked all the way in the back. I'll help you in 1 sec. We got a fucking I-8 right here. This thing's lit. Next, I want to get one of these one day. Danny Duncan style. So she found glasses. See them glasses, shorty. Cha-ching. I got like a little tank top and stuff, shirt. And I still haven't yet to go get a dress shirt, so that's what we gotta do next. We're just gonna wait here and let her do her thing, and then we're gonna go get the dress shirts.
Oh yeah. There ain't no mountain higher. Shh, don't say that on camera.
Hi, I'm Paul.
Boom.
I think this is too big.
I think that looks good.
Hello, how are you doing today? Hi, how are you? We're good. Alright guys, so shopping's over. About to head back. I don't know, we might just chill for a little bit.
Hey.
Hey, Dad. Hey, how you doing? Hey. Hey, you know, there we go. But we're probably gonna head back to the crib for a little bit, get ourselves situated so we can turn up tonight. If you want to see some of the turn up, follow us on Snapchat right here. I mean, this turn up will probably be gone on Snapchat anyway.
Right.
Right, but future turn ups, you know what I'm saying? Check us on the Snapchat. But we're headed back to the slingshot. The whip.
And yeah. I missed it.
Since we don't have a trunk, you just kind of have to shove everything in here. Keep it from the weather and shit. Time to take off, guys.
We're twins. We have a twin.
Hey, nice car.
Hey, yeah, yours too.
Alright guys, so me and her are about to go out tonight, but like I stopped by to grab something from Sean. But Vinny is gonna take a ride. I'm gonna take Sean for a ride too after Vinny, but I'm gonna just go around the block. So let me see this. Vinny, you hold this, my friend. You get a little bit of...
Oh yes.
Oh, you wanna pick? Hold on. Hit the side button. Hold on, behind here.
Oh yeah. That's the good stuff.
Yeah, bro. How do you like it? Tell me.
Bro, this car is fun. It's like, it feels like you're on a two-seated motorcycle or something.
That's pretty much what it is.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Yeah, but tomorrow we'll drive around a little bit tomorrow and get some other things. But tonight's me and my girls' night because it's a freaking birthday. So I'm gonna just turn around right here and do another thing. You feel me?
Up. It's on the reverse side.
So as you guys see, Sean's recording for his vlog. You guys gonna check him out one more time. I'll post a video in the description or.
Yeah, you gotta come check me out. Just follow me on Instagram. I hit like over 12,000. Follow. Hey.
All right, so we found this nice little patch of sand. We're gonna send it.
Sending it.
Double flow hug.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh, getting that joint. I know people live in the house right there. They're gonna get you.
All right, we gotta go.
We gotta go. Dang. That was legit.
All right, so I'm gonna let Sean drive it. Ooh. The back, like the mode I have it in, if you like slam it too hard in first, it gets a little squiggly. So just be careful. All right, I got you.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, baby.
dude.
Hell yeah. Just put it in second when you make this left and just slam it. Ooh, I got dirt in my eyes.
Yeah. It's weird with no, it's like weird with no,
Right.
no, there's nothing like, everything's in the way, bruh.
Yeah, baby. This thing's nice though.
It's nice. It's nice.
I like it.
It's nice.
Something nice.
Yo. Oh, you gotta ride it.
Ario, my camera's about to die. Just get in.
Stop, wait. I need an agreement.
Okay, I won't go fast.
Like,
I promise.
tone it down like.
I'll tone it down like
25%.
All right, 25%, 75% will go.
Do you promise?
I promise. It's not even that
Oh,
fast.
Mom, it's really not.
It's just fun. It's like you're in a motorcycle car.
I'm serious.
All right, come on.
First time.
Hold on, let me get situated.
You got this.
Was there any paraphernalia in here?
No.
All right.
Okay, wait.
It's got a backup.
Wait!
Backup camera and everything. Take it to the next spot too.
Is this going for you?
Go ahead, like an angle.
Wait! I got popcorn in my teeth. I love you.
Yeah. You go this way.
I close my eyes like a roller coaster.
Is this the dead end?
Yeah. With children. And animals. Ooh, boy.
This thing gets good gas mileage. I only use 2 bars and we've been driving like...
Okay, just keep in mind I have your camera, so if I get scared, it's going out the window by reflex.
Great for my city, I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know